All right, here we are on the 1.9 review. Means we're at the end of the unit here and ready to take our test this week. So name each function and mark each of the following graphs as not a function, or if it is a function, is it a many-to-one or a one-to-one? And then in each case, explain how you know. So we're going to go perform the vertical line test on each graph first to start to see if it is a function. So if I perform the vertical line test on this one, it touches once, so that means it is a function. And then that means I can go perform the horizontal line test. And since it touches once here and once here, or many times, it is a many-to-one function. So let's go put down our response. This is an absolute value function, V-shaped graph. It is a function because it passes the vertical line test. Means it touches once when you do the vertical line. It is a many-to-one function because it touches many times when you do the horizontal line test. All right, let's take a look at this guy over here. This is the greatest integer function, and we do have just starting at the regular origin, so it's just the parent graph of all greatest integer functions. And we're going to go ahead and perform the vertical line test on this. And when you pass the vertical line through this, it touches once, so it is a function. And when you perform the horizontal line test, especially because these are small horizontal lines, segments, this touches many times. It touches here and 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 here, all those spots. So it touches many times. So let's go put our response. This is a greatest integer function. It is a function because it passes the vertical line test. It is a many-to-one function because it touches many times on the horizontal line test. All right, let's try this next one, the cubic function. All right, the vertical line test touches once on this cubic function, and the horizontal line test also touches once. This is a cubic function. It is a function because it passes the vertical line test. It is a one-to-one function because it touches only once on the horizontal line test. Next is a circle. Since the circle touches twice on the vertical line test, it is not a function. So we don't even have to go do the other test. It is not a function because it fails the vertical line test by touching twice. So we do not test to see if it's a many to one or a one to one because it's not a function at all. Okay, next we just have a linear equation. The linear equation touches once, passes the vertical line test, and touches once, passes the horizontal line test. This is a linear function, graph of just a straight line. It is a function because it passes the vertical line test. It is a one-to-one function because it touches once on the horizontal line test. Finally, we have these last two. One is a regular parabola, positive. One is a negative parabola, upside down. So let's go see if these pass. Oops. So vertical line test touches once. Horizontal line test touches twice. These are graphs of parabolas, quadratic functions. This is what we're going to spend most of our time studying this year. They are both functions because they pass the vertical line test. They are many to one functions because they touch twice. Okay, that was page